Hey everybody, Matthew here from CRM Superstars and ready for yet another one of our little demo jams where I take you through just one of the features in our FlexPricer CPQ for Salesforce app. You can find more details about the app at flexpricer.com, but today here we're going to take a little look at client pricing and how that works in FlexPricer. So you might be asking yourself, what is client pricing and why do I possibly need that in Salesforce? Well, client pricing is all about being able to set a particular price for a product for a particular customer. So these scenarios arise when you have you've got like special contract prices, or you've got special prices that you agree with a customer. So if they're going to buy this product, they're going to get it at a particular price, but it's not the same as the price book price. And what our client pricing feature allows you to do is to specify the price for a particular product, lock that in so that every time that product is added to an opportunity or a quote for that client, that they get their price. So your sales reps don't have to remember what the price is for a particular client. They can just have that locked in FlexPricer, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. And then every time that product is ordered, then or indeed just added to an opportunity, then it's picked up with the price that's right for that client. And we can set expiry dates on those prices as well. So if you have, for example, a contract and say, right, for the next year, we're going to set this price for this product, then irrespective of what happens with the price book price, that client always gets the price that you've agreed up until the expiry date, and after the expiry date they pick up the price book price. Anyway, today's demo jam is to take you on a quick tour of how this works in FlexPricer, and if it's something that you're interested in, then feel free to pop over to AppExchange, search up FlexPricer, and you can install a trial, and start configuring that in your own Salesforce organization, perhaps your sandbox. Or if you don't log into AppExchange and you just hit the Get It Now button, then you can spin up a trial version of Salesforce that's got the data set that we're going to be looking through in just a moment, and you can have a little play with it yourself. So let's crack on and get this demo underway. So here I am in a Salesforce organization, and we've got some demo data loaded in this. And you can see here I've got client prices as a tab that's opened up. You can make that tab available to your users or not. Depends whether you're an admin or not as to whether or not that's useful. And we can see here we've got a bunch of prices that are set up for the Take a Break account. So you can see here, this client price record is just a data record in Salesforce, and essentially it's what it joins together. It joins together an account with a product, and it specifies on that product what the price is. In this case, it's $14.99. Whether that price is eligible for account discount, so can this price be discounted by a discount that's set on the account, and when does this price expire? So what this really means here is if I add this product, Espresso Machine Modern, to the Take a Break account, then it will pick up the price of $14.99 up until the 15th of February 2025, and after that date it'll go to the normal the normal price book price. So we can see we've got a bunch of these set here. Espresso Machine Modern, bean to cup coffee machine, it's picking up $21.99. This one isn't eligible for account discount, so this if we've got an account discount set on Take a Break, then this won't that discount won't be applied. You can see the expiry date's a little bit further out. And we've also got one really sort of special client price here. This Coffee House Espresso Machine Traditional. This particular product, when we have a look at this, on the product record itself, we've got this checkbox called Client Price Only. And what that means is this product will only appear in search results to be added to opportunities that relate to accounts where there's a client price specified. So what that really means is you've kind of created an account specific product. So this Coffee House brand machine is only going to appear for the when an opportunity is set against a Coffee House account. So let's have a look and see how these are going to work in practice. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll spin up a brand new opportunity so you can see that in real life. What I'm going to do is create this as let's call this a bean to cup for Take a Break, okay, because we know that one has got a client price record. Let's just have a quick look here. Take a Break account. It doesn't matter what stage we put it at or when the close date is, really. We'll just lock those in. And once that opportunity is created, I can go into FlexPricer. And this FlexPricer here is set up as a Visualforce page on a Visualforce component. So it can load up here in Lightning. And there we go, the page has loaded. And now if I add the bean to cup coffee machine, and I can use any combination of the name or product code or description or product family, anything like that to find it and add it, we'll see that this line item gets added. The list price is 2499, but the sales price here is automatically set to 2199 because that was the client price that we set for this particular product. You can see by this little C here, that's showing that a client price has been applied. So bean to cup coffee machine, medium use, can be added to this. If I search for that coffee house brand, espresso machine traditional, let's have a look here. Espresso machine traditional. I've only got the traditional one. I don't have the coffee house brand, and that's because we've got that checkbox on the coffee house brand one that means that it's only going to show for a coffee house account, and we've got this one set up against the take a break account. So I can save this. What that means is the sales rep hasn't had to remember the price for this particular product for this account. So there we are, 2199. And if we have a look in standard Salesforce, here we are, here's the product, here's the sales price, we've got the quantity. There's no discount applied because client pricing adjusts the sales price. So the price has been changed from 2499 to 2199. Let's take a quick look at the an opportunity for Coffee House. So let's have a here. This is going to be our espresso machine, traditional, and this is going to be for Coffee House. Coffee House. Here we go. Close date, don't mind when that is. Stick that in a stage, and then let's go back into FlexPricer again here. And what we'll see here, if we search for that espresso, again, we're going to find not only have we got espresso machine traditional, but we've also got espresso machine coffee house brand, because this type of special client price product is only going to appear when it's set for the coffee house account. And this is one way of creating account specific products or particular branded products that will only appear for certain accounts. We've also got a couple of other features that are set on here. So if we have a look at this product, if I open it in a new tab, we'll also see that we've got price lock set on here. So when this loads up, we'll see this little price lock checkbox is checked, and what that means is we don't have the ability to edit the sales price or the discount. We can't click on that and make a change to it. So we're always going to get $18.49 as the price, and it's only going to be able to be sold to Coffee House. So I can just save that, and that will update that opportunity there. So client prices are here to help you and help your sales reps remember the prices that have been set, perhaps under contract or just because they regularly order a product. You can choose. These are just normal Salesforce records that you can upload or download. And once a client price has expired, then the price is no longer allocated to new opportunities that are created or new line items that are created on existing opportunities. So there we go, that's client pricing in FlexPricer. If you've got a use case that you think that's useful for, then feel free to download and install FlexPricer from AppExchange. You just go on to AppExchange, search up FlexPricer, you'll find us on there. Click Get It Now. You can install it into a sandbox or into production. We particularly recommend setting it up in sandbox first, just to make sure that it's all going to work out for your use case. Or if you want to spin up a trial, then feel free to hit the Get It Now button and then say select as a trial. You can find out more about FlexPricer by searching on YouTube. We've got a YouTube channel up there, or liking this page or following us, and you can get some regular updates on what's going on in FlexPricer world. Anyway, hope you found that useful and look forward to catching up with you on another Demo Jam again soon. Bye for now.